The logistics software market will be worth $36 billion by 2033. That's huge. But here's the problem. The average logistics company loses over $1 million every year from disruptions and inefficient operations. Why do some companies run smoothly while others bleed money? We're going to explore that. Now, if you are someone who is thinking about building a logistics software platform in 2026, then you've come to the right video. In this video, we'll show you a complete logistics management platform. You will get to know what end users see, what gets controlled behind the scenes, and how AI fits into all of this, and what it costs to build. Let's start. Before we dive in, let's talk about what you're building into. The logistics software market is massive. But most logistics companies struggle with three things. First, operational chaos. Manual route planning and paper-based tracking waste hours daily. Transportation costs consume 65% of logistics budgets with inefficient routing. AI changes this with automated route optimization that cuts fuel costs by 25% in real time. Smart load balancing reduces empty miles. Second, disruption costs. 52% of companies lose over 1 month of operational capacity every year from supply chain disruptions. Each disruption costs $1 million or more annually. Real-time visibility is missing. AI solves this through predictive analytics that forecast delays before they occur. Automated tracking provides end-to-end shipment visibility. AI-driven inventory management prevents stockouts and reduces carrying costs by 30%. Third, customer experience. Generic tracking updates don't work anymore. Customers expect real-time location data, accurate ETAs, and proactive communication. Modern platforms deliver. Live GPS tracking with minute-by-minute updates. Automated delay notifications. Self-service portals that give customers full visibility. Now, why is 2026 the perfect time? 4 reasons. First, the business case. The US logistics software market is worth $5.75 billion and will hit $11.40 billion by 2033. At $500 monthly per fleet vehicle, that's massive recurring revenue. Legacy players run on outdated systems with rigid pricing. Private equity pays 8 to 12 times revenue multiples. Second, massive gaps. Only 30% of logistics companies use modern cloud-based systems. 70% still rely on spreadsheets and manual processes. E-commerce grew to $5.8 trillion globally, demanding better logistics. Third, timing advantage. Logistics automation investments will hit $70 billion by 2031. Transportation costs are 65% of budgets and rising. Companies need AI to survive. The window is now. Fourth, convergence. AI route optimization is finally accurate. IoT sensors provide real-time cargo tracking. Blockchain enables transparent documentation. All the pieces are in place. So what does a platform built for 2026 actually look like? Let's check out the logistics platform using admin access. We land directly on the dashboard, which acts as the central command center for the entire operation. At the top, the dashboard gives a real-time snapshot of operations, showing active loads, on-time delivery percentage, available trucks, live exceptions, fuel costs month to date, and total revenue. Just below, a live map displays the current position of every truck with clear color indicators for in-transit, delivered, delayed, and completed shipments, making fleet status easy to understand at a glance. As you scroll down, you can view today's dispatch activity and live vehicle status. The system clearly highlights on-time deliveries, delays, and critical issues, while alerts and quick action buttons allow admins to respond immediately without leaving the dashboard. From here, we move to orders and loads. This section shows all shipments across the platform, including loads that are in transit, loading, delivered, or cancelled. Using filters, the admin can quickly sort loads by customer, priority, destination, or delivery status. When we click on a specific load, a detailed panel opens on the right, showing the full life cycle of that shipment. This includes driver assignment, pickup and delivery status, stop details, uploaded documents such as the bill of lading and rate confirmation, internal notes, communication history, and related billing information. Everything connected to that load is available in one place. Next, we open the dispatch view. This is where load planning and assignments happen. The dispatch board shows unassigned loads, assigned trucks, loads currently in transit, completed deliveries, and shipments facing issues. From here, the admin can manually assign trucks and drivers, use auto-assignment to optimize routes, or create a new load directly within the system. This view is typically used by dispatchers, but admins have full visibility and control. Moving on to fleet management, we can see a complete overview of all vehicles. At the top, the system shows how many trucks are available, currently in use, or under maintenance, along with an overall fleet health score. Clicking on any vehicle opens its detailed profile, including the vehicle ID, model, mileage, current assignment, assigned driver, inspection history, and maintenance schedule. This helps ensure that vehicles are being utilized efficiently and maintained properly. Next is the driver section. Here, the platform shows how many drivers are active and available, and it highlights any HOS, or hours of service, risks. Drivers who are close to exceeding regulatory driving limits are clearly flagged by the system. When we open a driver profile, we can see compliance documents, driving hours, safety metrics, and current assignments, ensuring that all operations stay within regulatory requirements. After that, we move into routes and tracking. This section provides a visibility into all active routes, overall on-time performance, and any critical alerts. Selecting a route shows real-time truck movement, recent events such as departures and arrivals, fuel efficiency, and compliance performance. This allows the admin to track progress and proactively respond to potential delays. Next, we open warehouses and hubs. At the top, the platform shows all active warehouse locations along with their utilization levels. Selecting a warehouse opens a detailed view showing dock capacity, inventory breakdown by category, yard queue status, and scheduled appointments. This helps align transportation planning with warehouse operations and capacity. From here, we move to proof of delivery. This section tracks all POD documents across the platform. Each load is marked by its current status, such as pending upload, submitted, approved, or rejected. Admins can open any load to review uploaded documents, download files, approve submissions, or request corrections, ensuring accurate documentation and smooth billing. Next is billing and invoices. This section gives a complete financial view of the business. Invoices are clearly marked as paid, pending, overdue, or disputed. Clicking on an invoice opens detailed information, including line items, due dates, billing address, payment history, and any disputes raised by the customer. While this section is primarily used by finance teams, admins have full access and oversight. After that, we move into reports. The reporting section provides detailed analytics across operations and finance, including delay analysis by lane, driver performance, revenue trends, margin analysis, and invoice aging. Each report can be explored in detail and exported in multiple formats such as PDF or XML for sharing or compliance purposes. Next, we open the AI Operations Assistant. A clear disclaimer is shown that AI assists operations only and does not automatically dispatch loads or execute financial actions. The AI highlights potential driver-truck mismatches, delay risks, cost leaks, billing anomalies, and route inefficiencies. All insights are advisory, and final decisions always remain in human control. Finally, we move to settings. This is where the admin manages company setup, user roles and permissions for admins, dispatchers, finance teams, and viewers. From here, integrations can be configured for GPS tracking, ELD systems, accounting tools, fuel cards, and APIs. Notification rules, alert sensitivity, AI automation controls, and security settings are also managed here. Audit logs track who changed what and when, ensuring transparency and compliance. With that, we complete the walkthrough of the AI-powered logistics SaaS platform, a unified system designed to manage fleet operations, dispatching, tracking, billing, reporting, and AI-assisted insights from a single interface. The next generation of logistics belongs to platforms that combine AI automation with real-time visibility. And the window to enter this market is now. At Code Brew Labs, we've helped businesses launch cloud-based, AI-powered logistics platforms that track thousands of shipments daily. From AI-driven route optimization to automated tracking to predictive delay management, we will design, develop, and deploy working logistics platforms within 45 days. Click the link in the description, fill out a short form, and schedule a free consultation call with us. Our team will reach out for a detailed discussion to discuss your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building real-world AI products.